Hey guys, so right now we're going to be tackling Quadratic's word problems. This is going to be split up into two-part video. Right now what I'm going to show you is how to graph it, and then in the second part of the video I'm going to find you how to find the key information. So our equation is up here. H is equal to 3x squared plus 15x plus 6. So H in this problem is going to represent height. So I'm just going to have that off to the side. I'm going to represent height, which is in feet. And also X is going to represent time in seconds. So if you guys look here at my table, I only care about the positive X values because I only care about positive time. I don't care about negative time. So what we are going to do is that we are going to start graphing. However, if you notice, if I count by ones on my X, that will work because I only need to go up to 5. So 0. If I want to make it a little bit neater, I could space it out even more. So instead of doing 0, 1, 2, I'm going to do 0, skip 1, that will be 1. Skip 1, that will be 2. Skip 1, that will be 3, 4, 5. And make sure you label all the way. You cannot just stop at 5. However, from our y-axis, if I go up by ones, I will not reach 24, which is my biggest number. If I do it correctly, I need to go up by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and that works perfectly. It's not always going to work perfectly, just in this case it did. So now I'm going to start plotting my points. My first point is 0, 6. So that's right here. My next point is 118. It's about here. Next point is 224. About here. Next point is 324. Next point is 418. And the next point is 5, 6. So once you have all the points, notice how these 2 points are exactly the same, which means our vertex is going to be in between the two. So when I create my graph, I need to make sure I have a little hump between those 2 points because that is my vertex, and then you just come straight down. Do not put an arrow at this end and do not put an arrow at that end because the graph does not keep going. The ball or whatever it's talking about is going to hit the ground. Something else that you need to do is that you need to label your axis. So since we already talked about that X is time in seconds, I'm just going to write time and then parentheses put seconds. And then over here, this one is height. So I'm just going to write height. And we said that this is in feet. So this is how you properly label your graph. And then in the next video, like I said, I'm going to show you how to get the key features using the calculator.